bought this bike with bent forks. Let's get them fixed. Here's the new set of forks, some fork seals. Roll up the bike, lift it up. Let's pull the front end off. Get them forks out. And we are starting disassembly. Here's the picture of the bent fork tube. After cleanup, we're going to start reassembling, installing our new components, our new seals. Pouring our new fork oil. We're going to get these put back on the bike. With them fully installed, we're going to reinstall the front end. Bike's good to go.